Good afternoon, children. This is our mathematics e-learning class. In today's class, we will be learning about the even and odd numbers. Now, what is even number and what is odd number? Such numbers which can be fully grouped into pairs are called even numbers. যেই নাম্বারগুলোকে আমি একটা গ্রুপের মধ্যে সমানভাবে ভাগ করতে পারবো বা আলাদা আলাদা গ্রুপের মধ্যে সমানভাবে ভাগ করতে পারবো সেটাকে আমরা ইভেন নাম্বার বলবো। আর অড নাম্বার কাকে বলবো? Such numbers which cannot be fully grouped into pairs are called odd numbers. এমন নাম্বার যেগুলোকে আমরা যদি সমানভাবে গ্রুপে ভাগ করতে চাই কখনোই সমান বিভাজন হবে না। তাহলে আমরা এবার দেখি। ফর এক্সাম্পল, ইভেন নাম্বারস প্রথমে দেখব। উই উইল ফার্স্ট লুক অ্যাট দি ইভেন নাম্বারস। সাপোজ উই হ্যাভ কালেকশন অফ 8 টয়েস। ধরে নাও আমাদের কাছে 8টা নানান রকমের খেলনা আছে। ওকে, there is an aeroplane, a football, a teddy bear, a wooden horse, a car, a top, a playing monkey, and a helicopter. Okay, and a helicopter. So now you have to pair them. Okay, ওদের তোমাকে সমানভাবে ভাগ করে দিতে হবে। So group these toys into pairs that is set of 2 toys each. এবার আমরা কি করব, যেহেতু 8টা টয়েস আছে আমরা প্রত্যেকটা গ্রুপে দুটো করে টয় ভাগ করে দেব। তো in the first group you have the wooden horse and the aeroplane. In the second group you have the football and the helicopter. In the third group you have teddy bear along with the top. And in the fourth group you have the car with the monkey. Okay, toy monkey. Is there any single toy left? এখানে কি এমন কোনো একটা টয় আছে যেটা গ্রুপের মধ্যে নেই? নো, এরকম টয় একটাও নেই, সবাই দুটো দুটো গ্রুপের মধ্যে ঢুকে গেছে। সো 8 ক্যান বি ফুলি গ্রুপড ইনটু পেয়ার্স। তাহলে আমরা কি বুঝলাম? যে 8 হচ্ছে এমন একটা নাম্বার যেটাকে আমরা ভাগ ভাগ করে যদি গ্রুপে চেঞ্জ করে দিই, তাহলে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করে দিই, তাহলে সমানভাবে ভাগ করা যেতে পারে। Such numbers which can be fully grouped into pairs are called even numbers. এটা আমরা অলরেডি জানি। তাহলে এতক্ষণে বুঝে গেছি যে যেই নাম্বারগুলোকে আমরা গ্রুপে সমানভাবে ভাগ করে দিতে পারবো সেগুলোকে ইভেন নাম্বার বলবো আমরা। 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. ঠিক আছে, 2 যদি থাকে 1 1 করে দুটো গ্রুপে আমরা ভাগ করে দিতে পারি। 4 যদি থাকে তাহলে আমরা 2 2 করে দুটো গ্রুপে দিয়ে দিতে পারি। 6 যদি থাকে 3 3 করে দুটো গ্রুপে চেঞ্জ করে দিতে পারি। 8 থাকলে 2 2 2 2 2 করে আমরা 4টে গ্রুপে চেঞ্জ করে মানে ভাগ করে দিতে পারি। Numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. আমরা জানি 0, 2, 4, 6 এইগুলো সব তো ডিজিটস। এবার যখন এগুলো ডাবল হয়ে যায় তখন ওগুলো নাম্বারসে চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়। তো 10, 12, 24, 36, 48 এরকম যেই নাম্বারেরই পেছনে লাস্টে 0 থাকবে বা 2 থাকবে বা 4 থাকবে বা 6 থাকবে বা 8 থাকবে, সেই সব নাম্বারগুলো কিন্তু ইভেন নাম্বার হবে। 104 যদি থাকে, লাস্টে 4 আছে, অতএব 104 is a even number. Okay, suppose you have 612, so last number is 2, so therefore it is an even number. Always you remember that if it is ending, any number that is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, they will all come under even number. Now we move on to odd numbers. Suppose we have a collection of 5 apples. ধরো আমাদের কাছে 5টা অ্যাপেল আছে, ঠিক আছে। Group these apples into pairs that is set of 2 apples each. এবার আমাকে এই অ্যাপেলগুলোকে দুটো দুটো করে গ্রুপে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করতে হবে। তো ফার্স্ট গ্রুপে 2 apples, সেকেন্ড গ্রুপে 2 অ্যাপেলস, তো 2 + 2 আমরা জানি 4 হয়, কিন্তু আরেকটা গ্রুপে কি আর দুটো অ্যাপেল আসবে? নো, বিকজ উই হ্যাভ অনলি 5, সো একটা গ্রুপে শুধু একটা অ্যাপেল আসবে। দেয়ারফর ইজ দেয়ার এনি সিঙ্গল অ্যাপেল লেফট? যদি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয় তাহলে কি কোনো এমন অ্যাপেল আছে যে একা পড়ে আছে? ইয়েস, 1 অ্যাপেল ইজ লেফট অ্যালোন। সো 5 cannot be fully grouped into pairs. তাহলে আমি কি বুঝলাম? 5 কখনোই গ্রুপে পেয়ার করা যেতে পারে না। পেয়ার মানে জোড়া। 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. এর আগে আমরা ইভেনে কাকে কাকে পেলাম? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8। এবার এদের বাদে যে ডিজিটসগুলো আছে, দ্যাট ইজ 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These numbers will be counted under odd numbers because যদি আমরা এদের পেয়ার করতে চাই সবসময় একটা এক্সট্রা থেকে যাবে এবং একটা অড পেয়ার তৈরি হবে, কখনোই জোড়া হবে না। দুটোর জোড়া কখনোই এটা বানাতে পারবে না। যেমন 1 মানে একটাই আছে, তো একটাকে কেটে আমি দুটো বানিয়ে দিতে পারবো না। 3 থাকলে দুটো একটা বক্সে থাকবে, একটা এক্সট্রা থেকে যাবে। 5 থাকলে দুটো একটা বক্সে, আরেকটা বক্সে দুটো, আরেকটা বক্সে কিন্তু একটা থেকে যাবে। 7 যদি থাকে দুটো বক্সে, একটা বক্সে দুটো গেল, আবার আরেকটা বক্সে দুটো গেল, আবার আরেকটা বক্সে দুটো গেল, কিন্তু আরেকটা বক্সে একটা থেকে যাবে। এইভাবে এরকম হতে থাকবে। Numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. তাহলে আমরা কি বুঝলাম? যে নাম্বারগুলো শেষে 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 এই ডিজিটসগুলো থাকবে সেগুলো সব অড নাম্বার হবে। সেটা 25ই হোক বা 609 হোক বা 549 হোক, whatever may be the number, the numbers will be odd numbers. Okay? Now let us move to the next page, page number 46, where we have a fun exercise for you. Now, ring the objects in the pair to find whether they are even or odd. They then count and write the number in the correct column. One has been done for you. এখানে কি করতে হবে? তোমাকে রিং দ্য অবজেক্টস, ঠিক আছে, ইন পেয়ার্স, মানে পেয়ার মানেই জানবে দুটোর জোড়া করে তোমাকে সার্কেল করে করে দুটোর জোড়া বানাতে হবে। তারপরে তোমাকে বলতে হবে ওটা ইভেন না অড, ঠিক আছে। কাউন্ট অ্যান্ড রাইট দ্য নাম্বার ইন দ্য কারেক্ট কলাম, আর তারপর সেই নাম্বারটা টোটাল কত আছে সেটা কাউন্ট করে তোমাকে, যদি ওটা ইভেন বেরোয় তাহলে ইভেনের আন্ডারে লিখতে হবে, যদি সেই নাম্বারটা অড বেরোয় তাহলে অডের আন্ডারে লিখতে হবে। যেমন ফার্স্টটা করা আছে, ইফ ইউ ক্যান সি দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান, ইউ হ্যাভ ডলস, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dolls are there. Now you have to first make a pair of 2 dolls each. So first pair 2 dolls, second pair 2 dolls, third pair 2 dolls, but the fourth pair there is no pair but a single doll is there. Therefore it is an odd number, so 7 will be written under odd. Circle 7 will be written under the circle odd. Coming to the next one, we have cars. So first count the number of cars, 1, 2, 3, 4. ওকে, এবার এটাকে দুটো জোড়ায় চেঞ্জ করে মানে রিং করতে হবে। তো 1, 2, first 2 cars, ring it. Again 3, 4, again ring these 2 cars. So you have how many groups? 2 groups, and in both the groups you have 2 cars each. Okay, so there is no extra car left, so 4 will be written under the circle of even number in the second place. Now if you see question number 3, the picture number 3, you have keys. So count the number of keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are total 9 keys. Now here also we will make pairs of 2. Okay, pair means 2, always remember. So দুটোর আবার সার্কেল করে করে পেয়ার বানাবো। So first 2 you will ring it, second and third ring it, fourth and fifth again ring it, 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 সো 8টা আলাদা আলাদা করে রিং করতে হবে প্রথম 1 2 কে রিং করে দাও একসঙ্গে 3 4 কে একসঙ্গে রিং করে দাও 5 6 কে একসঙ্গে রিং করে দাও 7 8 কে একসঙ্গে রিং করে দাও তাহলে 9th যে কিটা আছে সেটা কিন্তু একা পড়ে আছে therefore 9 is odd number and you will write it under the circle under odd number in the third place. Then you have cycle, children. So how many cycles are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so again we will make pairs of 2 and we will circle them. So number 1 and number 2 cycle will be circled and made in one group. Number 3 and number 4 again you will circle and keep it in one group. But number 5th is alone. Therefore, this is an odd number. 5 will be written under odd number in the 4th place. You have balloons now. So count the number of balloons. There are pink balloons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So there are total 13 balloons. So one trick is because the last number is 3 and we know that whenever we have 1 3 5 7 9 at the end of any number it is always odd number. So taking care of that we can easily ring 2 2 2 2 2 pairs of the balloons and keep one aside as 13 is a odd number and we can write it under 13 we can write it under odd number in the 5th place. So start doing it quickly. First 2 balloons ring it, second 2 balloons ring it, third 2 balloons ring it, 4th and 5th you will ring, 6th and 7th, 8th, 9th. This is how you'll ring it and you will come to the 13th one. So 1 2 will come in one group, 3 4 in one group, 5 6 in one group, 7 8 in one group, 9 10 one group, 11 12 one group and 13 will be left aside. So you will write down 13 under odd number. You have football now. So count the number of footballs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So there are total 14 footballs. So you will make pairs of 2. So first and second ring it, third 4th ring, 5th 6th ring it, 7th 8th ring, 9th 10th ring it, 11th 12th ring it, 13 14 ring it. So you have 14 that is even number. Any number that has 0 2 4 6 8 they are all even numbers. So you will write it under even number in the 6th place. Coming to pens 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. There are 18 pens, children. So as you know the last number being 8 it is always counted amongst even number. You will write 18 under even number in the 7th place. Okay, and you will make a pair of 2 pens each. In each group you will have 2 pairs. So coming to now we come down to the tops, the last one. So now count the number of tops 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Total there are 17 tops and if you start making pair of 1 2 one pair, 3 4 another pair, 5 6 another pair, 7 8 another pair, 9 10 another pair, 11 12 pair it up, 13 14 pair it up, 15 16 pair it up, but 17 is left alone as you can see and therefore 17 is a odd number and it will be written under the last circle under odd number row. So this is how you will solve this picture puzzle. Okay, now here page number 47. Encircle the odd numbers in each row. এইখানে যেগুলো অড নাম্বার আছে সেগুলোকে সার্কেল করতে হবে তো আমাদের ট্রিক কি জানা আছে যে যেই নাম্বারগুলো লাস্টে 1 3 5 7 9 এই নাম্বারসগুলো এই ডিজিটসগুলো থাকবে সেই নাম্বারগুলো অলওয়েজ অড নাম্বার হবে তো আমরা যেমন ফার্স্টে যদি দেখি 11 so last number is 1 therefore it's a odd number we'll circle it 26 6 is a even number therefore it's even number we will not circle 33 3 as we know is an odd number so last number digit being 3 we will circle it 48 8 is a even number we know it 52 again 2 is even number therefore we will not circle it 91 the last digit being 1 we will always circle 91 because it is an odd number coming to the next blue row 7 3 22 65 50 83 here we have the digit 7 which is odd number 3 again it's an odd number then 22 is even number as we have the last digit 2 65 is odd number because the last digit of 65 is 5 therefore it's an odd number we will circle it 50 we have 0 in the last digit therefore it is an even number 83 as the last digit is 3 it is also odd number and we will circle it again the third row orange row you have 74 56 17 9 68 39 here again the same trick children 74 56 these all have 4 and 6 at the end therefore 74 or even number 56 or even number 17 the last digit being 7 therefore it's an odd number so circle 17 9 is also an odd number as we know therefore we will circle 9 68 again 8 is the even number therefore 68 will be left aside because it is an even number 39 the last digit being 9 we will always count it amongst odd numbers and therefore we will circle it come to number 4 95 78 54 24 43 82 in these set of numbers 95 5 is the odd number therefore circle 95 78 8 is even number so do not circle it do not circle 78 54 since 4 is the last digit therefore it is even number so do not circle 54 24 again 4 is the last digit which is an even number therefore do not circle 24 43 yes 3 is an odd number therefore we will circle 43 82 again 82 being the last digit which is an even number we will not circle it coming to fifth row 43 41 18 19 26 87 I will repeat it again 40 40 1 18 19 26 87 here you can see 0 in 40 so last digit being 0 we will not circle 40 as it is an even number 1 is always odd number 1 ke amra dubhag kore joraye ante parbo na 18 যদি তুমি পেয়ারিং করো তাহলে 18 দেখবে দুটো দুটো করে পেয়ার হয়ে যাবে আর 8 যেহেতু লাস্টে আছে সেটা একটা ইভেন নাম্বার therefore we will not circle 18 19 yes 9 is an odd number therefore we will circle 19 26 6 is the last digit which is an even number therefore we will not circle 26 87 7 being the last digit it is an odd number so we will circle 87 97 now come to the last row of the odd number encircling 97 49 10 72 88 and 95 here children you can see 97 so 7 being the last digit it is always an odd number 49 again 9 is an odd number therefore we will circle 49 10 0 is a digit which is always even number therefore we will not circle 10 72 again 2 is the even number therefore we will not circle 72 88 8 is again an even number we will not circle it and 95, 5 is an odd number as we know, therefore 95 will be circled. So this is how you will solve odd number encircling. Now in the same page 47 you have encircled the even numbers in each row. এবার আমাদের কি করতে হবে, আমাদের শুধু ইভেন নাম্বারগুলোকে খুঁজে বার করতে হবে আর সেইগুলোকে সার্কেল করতে হবে প্রত্যেকটা রোতে। ফার্স্ট রোতে তুমি দেখো নাম্বারস আর গিভেন 20, 33, 8, 47, 16 and 94. সো আমরা তো ট্রিকটা জেনে গেছি যে যেই নাম্বারের লাস্টে 0, 2, 6, 8 এই নাম্বারগুলো থাকবে আমরা সেগুলো 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 এই পাঁচটা নাম্বার যে কোনো নাম্বারের লাস্টে যদি থাকে আমরা চোখ বন্ধ করে এগুলোকে সার্কেল করে দেবো অ্যাজ ইভেন নাম্বার। ওকে, সো 20 having 0 we will circle it as even number. 33, 3 is an odd number, therefore we will not circle it. 8 is an even number as I had explained you. 47 is not an even number. 16 is again an even number, we will circle it, and 94 is also even number, we will circle it as both are having even digits at the end. 9, 14, 17, 2, 63, 38 এইখানে দেখো 9 it is odd number, যদি আমরা পেয়ারিং করি একটা এক্সট্রা থেকে যাবে। 14, 4 is even number, so 14 will also be even number and we will circle it. 17, 7 as we know যদি আমরা পেয়ারিং করতে যাই তাহলে 2, 2, 2 করে তিনটে পেয়ার হবে আর একটা এক্সট্রা থেকে যাবে, therefore 17 will not be counted amongst even numbers because 7টা আমরা সব সময় odd numberের আন্ডারেই পাবো। আর 17 কেও যদি আমরা ডিভাইড মানে দুটো পেয়ারে করে করি তাহলে কটা হবে 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 আর একটা extra থেকে যাবে, so there will be 8 pairs and one will be left alone. 2 is of course an even number, we know it. 63, no, it is not even number as 3 is an odd number. 38, again it's an even number because 8 is the digit which is even. 51, this is the third row children. 51, 4, 55, 27, 70 and 11. 51, 1 being an odd number, simply we will not take it as even. 4 is an even number because 2, 2 করে আমরা দুটো পেয়ার করতে পারি আর দুটো গ্রুপে ডিভাইড করতে পারি। 55, 5 being an odd number, we will not circle it. 27, we will not circle it because 7 cannot be even. 70 again is a even number because 0 is there at the end, and 11 is again odd number because we have 1 at the end. 19, 66, 26, 49, 59, 84. This is the fourth row. In the fourth row, 19 again is an odd number, 66 is an even number, 26 is again an even number, 49 is not an even number, 59 is again not an even number, and 84 is an even number. So এই নাম্বারগুলোকে যদি আমরা সার্কেল করে করে দুটো দুটো করে ভাগ করে দিই, যেগুলোকে আমি বলছি 66, 26 and 84, এইগুলোকে যদি আমি ভাগ করি প্রত্যেকটা কিন্তু ইকুয়াল পেয়ার বানাবে। 44, 34, 25, 83, 42 and 6. এখানে যদি দেখো 44 again has 4 at the end, therefore it's an even number. 34 having 4 at the end, it's also an even number. 25 having 5 at the end is not an even number. 83 having 3 at the end is not an even number. 42 is even number because it has 2 at the end, and 6 is always an even number. As we know, we can pair it in group of 2s and we get 3 group. 73, 50, 29, 92, 77, 41. Here children, 73, 3 being an odd number, 73 is also an odd number. 50, 0 being an even number, therefore 50 will be counted among even numbers. We will circle it. 29, 9 being an odd number, 29 will be counted among odd numbers and it will not be circled. 92, yes, 2 being the last digit, as we know the rule, je last e jodi 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 jodi thake তাহলে সেগুলো সব even number হবে. আরেকবার রিমাইন্ডার দিলাম, সেই জন্য 92 will also be a even number. 77 will be an odd number because it has 7 at the end, and if you pair 7 it will always have one extra left alone. And 41 again, having no pairing will be left alone because it has 1 at the end and it's an odd number. So now we move on to the next page. Now, in page number 48, you have write the next 5 even numbers. So, first 2 numbers are given, you have to write the next 5. So, starting with the pink row, 62, 64, and then you have 68, 70, 72, 74, 76. As all the numbers at the end, you can see they are having even numbers. 10, 12, then 14, 18, 20, 22, 24. If you follow the skip counting also, it will help you. 86, 88, then 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. You are following that we are actually doing this skip counting of 2. 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Children, as you can notice that all the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are under even number. All the numbers at the end, you can see that we have either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. The number in front can be an odd number, but the end number, the last number, has to be an even number. Then only that number will be counted under even number. 44, 46, then 48, 50, 52, 54, 56. This is how we will solve the first part, finding out next 5 even numbers. Coming to finding next 5 odd numbers. Write the next 5 odd numbers. So first one, you can see 13 and 15 is there. So we know that any number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, they are all counted under odd number. So we have 13, 5, then 17, 19, 21, 23 and 25. All are having, you can see, the odd numbers, odd digits at the end to complete the numbers. 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 80, 83. So these are all again a set of odd numbers. 89, 91, then 93, 95, 97, 99, 101. Again a set of odd numbers, and here also we are following the skip counting of 2. 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67. So all are having the odd digit at the end to complete the number and make the number odd. 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. Here again you can see they are all odd numbers as they have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the end of each number. Write all odd numbers between 20 to 15. So the third one you have to write down the odd numbers between 20 and 50. 20 and 50 having 0 at the end, they are even numbers. So we have to write only the odd numbers in between them. So 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45 and 47, because and 49 will be the last number, because thereafter it comes 50, which is an even number. Okay, so we will only write till 49. Then children, we come to the last part of page number 48. That is, write all the even numbers between 60 and 90. Here we will also include 60 and 90 because they both are even numbers having 0 at the end. So we begin with 60. 60, 62, 64, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, and the last number is 90. So here we finish off page number 48. Now we come to page number 49. Here you have to observe the chart. Here you can see in the chart all the numbers that are in white, they are all odd numbers, and all the numbers that are in green box, under the row of green box, the entire column belongs to even numbers. Similarly, here also you have set of numbers. In each row, color the boxes containing the even numbers. So, as we know the trick that any number ending with 0, 4, 6, 8 will be counted amongst even numbers. So, the first number in the first row is 196, which is even. Then 623, 625, 661. These are all odd numbers having 3, 5 and 1 respectively at the end of each. So they will not be colored. And then again 544, 702 and 994 having even numbers at the end, 4, 2 and 4 respectively. They will be shaded as even numbers. 109, again having 9 at the end, will be among the odd numbers which will not be shaded. 48 having even number will be shaded. 231 will again be left as odd number. 333 is odd number. 708 is even number, will be shaded. 901 is odd number. 36 is even, therefore it will be shaded. 669 is odd number. 872 is even number, therefore it will be shaded. 390 having 0 at the end will be shaded because it's an even number. 400 having 0 at the end is again even number, therefore it will be shaded. 799 being odd number will not be shaded. 556 has to be shaded because it has 6 at the end, which is an even number. 557 is odd. 96 is even number. 736 is again even number. They all will be shaded. 935 and 877 are odd numbers having 5 and 7 respectively at the end of each number. Therefore, they are going to be left alone. And 300 as well as 248, they are even numbers having 0 and 8 consecutively at the end of each number. Therefore, they will be shaded as even number. 65 and 601 will not be shaded, having 5 and 1 respectively at the end of these numbers, and 138 will be shaded as it has 8 at the end, therefore it's an even number. 90 will be shaded as 90 has 0 at the end. 405 having 5 at the end, 573 having 3 at the end, and 629 having 9 at the end. These are all odd numbers. 586 is an even number. 54 is also an even number because it has 6 and 4 at the end. 867 is an odd number. 344 is an even number. 518 is an even number. 334 is again an even number, and you will shade it. 506, 58, 278 and 750 are all even numbers, and therefore it needs to be shaded. 31 and 235 having 1 and 5 at the end are odd numbers and they will not be shaded. 476 is an even number and therefore we will shade 476. 117 will not be shaded. 902 will be shaded as it is an even number having 2 at the end. 681 will not be shaded, it being an odd number. 101, 859 both are odd numbers, whereas 434, 88, 744, 920. These are all even numbers, and therefore we will shade all the 4 numbers. 73 will not be shaded because it is not an even number, it's an odd number. 788 is an even number. 205, 807 are both odd numbers. 754, 166 and 92, they are even numbers, and therefore they have been shaded. 775 is an odd number, so we have not shaded it. 808 is an even number, therefore we have shaded it. 351 is not an even number, it's an odd number. 485 is again an odd number. They have been left aside without any shade. 316, 60 and 732, all having 6, 0 and 3 at the end. You can see they are even numbers, and therefore they have been shaded. 373 has been left aside because it is an odd number having 3 at the end. 504 is an even number. 702 is again an even number because it has 4 and 2 at the end of their entire digits. 613 is odd number. 666 is even number having 6 at the end. 937 is an odd number having 7 at the end. 584, 4 is an odd even number, therefore the entire number will be 584 will be an even number. 990 is an even number because 0 is an even number which is at the end. 224, 4 being the even number, we will shade it because 224 will be counted amongst even number. 100 having 0 at the end is again going to be counted amongst even number. So children, this is how we will solve the odd and even numbers. We can quickly identify. Remember the trick, all the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 will be counted amongst even number, and all the numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the end, they will be counted amongst all odd number. So that's all for today. I hope this was a enriching session for you people. Thank you so much. Be healthy, be happy. Thank you. Bye bye.